Hello, good morning team. Are we ready for Kanching Waterfalls? Are you ready? I'ma let you I'ma let you take this transition, Leo. Bye-bye.
Hi guys! Our first trekking together. And this is how the environment looks. Very nature, back to nature. Monyet right here. Jahat guys. Alright, at Ara 7, which is the last level of this waterfall. 6, 7! Oh, it's very refreshing. The water is very cold, but it's so nice.
Very refreshing.
Very refreshing. The most tiring part is actually the stairs. That's crazy. I almost gave up, but here we are. You should go here, guys.
So maybe we should get together, take it all on better. We should try something new.
Let's go! The real jacuzzi! Alex, where are you? Alex, where are you?
Focus. Damn, you fill up the space. Inviting folks to your place. Everybody hates Chris, not you. Everybody sweet on you, boo. Oh. I thought I'd think back.